This is war, pick your sides, know your stance. This is war, no telling how the story ends. This is a fallout, everybody get down. Stay out of our way. This ain't a nice zone, no telling where we might go. We've high in the stairs.
You wishing death upon us, better get ready with a vest and invested enough protection. A lesson, nuclear fallout, go cry for mama. You wanted war till you on the floor trying to hide from bombing. Kamikazes fly supersonic right through the Eiffel Tower. President Donnie killed Soleimani, so now Iran's a problem. Going Nagasaki, atomics dropping on Abu Dhabi. 20 million bodies and 5 tsunamis arrive in Holland. Few survived alive, now the radiation is sure to follow. All the bombing is now underway, how you gonna save yourself? Y'all better pray, y'all gotta stay down in the basement or hallway closet, otherwise die in the flames. Out of atomic waste concentrated in metropolis. Watch as the hospital rate skyrockets to thousands of patients. Nuke radiation becoming too dangerous. No, this ain't Tinder, but I swipe left at you with a knife in fact. Striking your back with a whole Viking next. Tell check that it's time for the fire. Let me get a funnel attachment, run up and siphon the gas. Now sit around, then we go light the match, igniting that like Iraq where ISIS was fighting that. Whole world about to end so soon. Kim Jong-un get a pissed at you, send a big fucking nuke to America to hit your roof in an instant. Blue like flip at a fuse, incinerating kids in school. Principal said it was miserable. Missiles are dropping in Israel, Germany, London, and Istanbul. Now Godzilla, but the ominous monsters still upon us. Leonard was hit with a comet economy crashing, poverty wobbly, plate tectonic.